This is a story about Thomas Martel. He's 22 years old, and he's from the Chicago area called Wicker Park. I want to remind you, the details of this story are very disturbing. Martel is accused of torturing animals, and we're about to go into the details of this case. Martel is accused of killing at least 6 kittens since May of 2025. He found all of his kittens off of Craigslist. So let this be a reminder, if you need to rehome an animal, do not use platforms like Marketplace on Facebook or Craigslist. It's best to find a nonprofit organization that can rehome your animal and foster the animal until it's adopted. According to the police reports, the 22-year-old would continue to use Craigslist in order to find the same type of kitten so that his mother wouldn't grow suspicious of the alleged 6 kittens that he continued to kill. The district attorney gave us some extremely graphic details, and I once again want to warn you that it may be difficult to hear this. Prosecutors said he recently told his girlfriend he enjoyed killing cats, and he has been doing this since he was 8 years old. According to the district attorney, some of the kittens were drowned, while others may have been microwaved. These are gut-wrenching details. And the judge had a statement when he had his bond hearing this week. Judge Kelly McCarthy said, "We're seeing a pattern of going back again and again. Killing an animal, going out, getting a replacement. Killing that one, getting a replacement. Killing that one, and getting a replacement." And unfortunately, this was allowed to continue for a sustained period of time, and numerous animals have lost their lives. However, the judge did grant him bail at $7,500 and needed to be placed on an ankle monitor. Martel's girlfriend, who eventually notified police about the abuse, said she became aware of the issue in May. She claims an acquaintance sent her a video of him throwing a pillowcase into Lake Michigan. She was told the pillowcase contained a new kitten he named Shelly. The DA said the girlfriend never saw Shelly again. However, he's not criminally charged with this incident yet. Within a couple days of Shelly's disappearance, Martel bought another kitten, which he also named Shelly. He also had an adult cat named Reggie. He invited his girlfriend to come over on May 26th to meet the new kitten. She says everything was fine until June 3rd, when they decided to drink and use narcotics. That's when he decided to put the cat in a tub of water. His girlfriend allegedly saw him pull the unresponsive kitten from the tub and try to revive it by giving it CPR with his thumb. The next day, he told his girlfriend that the cat needed more CPR. So he took it into the bathroom and started chest compressions on the kitten for 10 minutes. He brought it out dead, according to reports. And then she said he put the cat into a bag and tossed it down the trash chute, according to reports. He immediately went to Craigslist to search for a new kitten, according to court documents. Another kitten that looked like the cat he had before. Again, he named the cat Shelly. According to the DA, when he came home on June 5th, he told his girlfriend he wanted to teach the kitten how to swim. So, according to reports, once again, he put the kitten in the tub and submerged it. A few hours later, he removed the cat, put it in a bag, told his girlfriend that the new kitten was in the bag, and he tossed it down the trash chute. Once again, Martel went on Craigslist and found a kitten in Indiana. At one point, his girlfriend said that he had to stop this behavior. And he got angry and kicked her out, but then called her moments later and said, "I need money to buy a new kitten," according to court documents. So the pair took off to buy the fourth kitten in a city called Woodstock. They named this kitten Shelly. The next day, the kitten peed in its food bowl, and he got so angry at the kitten, according to reports, he told his girlfriend that the cat needed a bath. 30 minutes later, he emerged from the bathroom, wrapped that kitten in a towel, and tossed it into the trash chute. June 7th, he sent his girlfriend a picture of a kitten that looked like the others, and he asked her for money to buy it. The couple drove to Burbank and returned with another kitten. According to court documents, they named the cat Shelly. On June 18th, Martel's girlfriend looked at his phone and found a horrifying photo. And the photo said, "Before I murdered her." The woman sent the photos to herself, then decided to contact Chicago police about the incident. The district attorney said that for a week, the 22-year-old went to a mental health facility and then decided to turn himself in. I will keep you updated on this very disturbing story. Please remember to be careful if you have to rehome your pet. No matter if it's a kitten, a guinea pig, a bird, it doesn't matter. You can never be too careful. I'll keep you updated on this story.